So, a lot of you did not zoom in when you handed in this assignment. So, I had a special request by somebody. How do I do that? Although I did teach it in class, I'm going to make this video so that everyone can learn how to do this. So, here we have our stool sitting on top of our tabletop, in this case, more of a butcher block. And we need to render and zoom in on this. So the first thing is I'm making sure I'm at visualize. I'm right clicking, make sure I'm on perspective, and I've set up everything else through rendering that we were supposed to in other lessons. So step one is you can go ahead and do a blue crossing window, select it, and then click the little corner of the cube here. That's going to bring you in. If you find that that's not enough and you need to get even closer, you could type in zoom, click on that, and then right down here, being blocked by this, let me get rid of that. Right down here, it'll say specify a corner of window, and then you have all these choices. I'm going to go ahead and click window right there. And then what I can do is I can just make a small window around it, and that'll zoom in even closer. You also have the option of rolling your mouse wheel, but sometimes that doesn't work great, so you can experiment with that. The idea, though, is you want a little bit of the object to be kind of off the screen here and on the bottom too, just ever so slight. So this is a really well zoomed in. Now I'm on a low render here just for speed, but obviously you would do a higher level render. But just for this demo, let me go ahead and hit the render button, and let's see what that looks like. See, there we go. So now we have a nice zoomed in bench here, stool rather, with not a little tiny stool way off in the background, nice and zoomed in. So after you're done with that, obviously you would go in and you would save it as you normally would. And that's how you can correct this and redeem your grade, resubmit it for a better grade. All right.